everyone, my name is Stacy and today I'm going to show you how to make sour cream. This all came about because the other day I needed some sour cream for a recipe and I didn't have any, and I really didn't want to go to the store to go pick some up. You know, it was the only thing I would need and I just didn't like to go out in the middle of the day when I have so much stuff to do around the house. So I ended up making some. And I thought, well, this might be a good time to show everybody else how to make it because it's cheap and it's easy as long as you've got the ingredients in your home. All it takes is some heavy cream and some lemon juice. Now, I know a lot of recipes call for the fresh lemon, but it turns out this works just as good. Okay, so all I did was I mixed up 1 cup of heavy cream. I just poured it into a canning jar. Makes it nice and simple that way. And then I just took 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Just kind of shake it a little. It's getting away from me. So anyway, you go ahead and you give this a stir. Now you're going to want to give it some time, as far as it's not something that if you need the sour cream today, you don't want to be making it today. You need it to be made yesterday, kind of thing. The reason is because it needs to sit out on your counter for anywhere between 12 and 24 hours just to get that tanginess. So anyways, so I went ahead and I mixed this up, just gently, just stirring it together. You're going to cover it with a paper towel. You can also use cheesecloth, or if you have a flour sack towel or something, and then just put a rubber band around the top and just let it sit out until, you know, like I said, 12 to 24 hours. That's how it's going to ferment and become a little bit more tangy, as you would normally want it to be. So, yeah, that's it. So after the 12 hours, you can go ahead and taste it a little bit. If it's just not tangy enough, just let it sit out a little longer. This batch that I made yesterday, actually, it came out nice and thick, and it's just perfect. And I let it sit out for 15 hours. And then go ahead, once you're done with it, you can go ahead and put it in your canning jar, screw on the regular lid, and refrigerate it. It's not supposed to last more than a week. So just kind of be mindful of that. I've never kept it longer than that, so maybe it does last longer. I just don't know. But anyways, it turned out perfect. So there you go. And just in case you want to know how to make sour cream. And I thank you and have a great day. Bye.